Imagine vibe coding a crypto price charting app similar to TradingView with features such as live price tracking, individual token lookup, interactive candlestick data, historical price snapshots, and token batch comparison tables, all from a single API source using Moralis and Claude code. Let's get into it. First, open up a terminal. Then, navigate to your desktop. When you're on your desktop, create a folder called Moralis Price TradingView, and then go into that folder. And once you're in here, you want to run this command. And what this command is going to do, it's going to pull the Onchain skills GitHub repository and install it into this project. The skills are basically a way that we can tell Claude exactly how to use the price API. So you just select all using the spacebar for this, choose Claude, project, symlink, and then proceed. And now at this point, all the skills are installed into this project, and this step is now complete. Next, we need to place our Moralis price API key inside of this project. So we have to open this up into a code editor. I use Cursor. So I open up Cursor, and when it loads, I have two files here, a .env file. You can just right click, create new file, .env, and then also .getignore. These two files are very important. In the .getignore file, you just need to put .env. In the .env file, you put in a variable like this, and then your API key, which you get at moralis.com. You copy your API key here, and then you come back to your project, and you paste it right here. This is a private file, so we don't share this with anybody on screen or with anybody else, period. And then once you do that, this step is complete. Now that we have the Moralis price API key inside of this project, this is where the really fun part happens, and we can start to talk to Claude. So we just type Claude, it opens up a terminal in Claude, and we give it some context now. So we would write it like, build me a price dashboard charting app using the Moralis price API. And I added some more text here to give Claude as much context as possible, so it really understands what I want out of this project. And you can see it thinking, and it's trying to, okay, right now it's reading the skills, which is very great. We want it to know how to use the price API specifically, and it looks like it got it. So now we just kind of wait and let Claude cook. All right, guys, Claude has created the project. I cannot wait to look at this UI. But first, let's look at all this HTML that it created for us, just from that one prompt. I mean, this is going to be a fully functional application as soon as I launch this up. So we just go back to Claude, and we just say, launch this app in a browser. And give it a few moments, and what Claude is going to be doing is it's going to spin up a server for us. It's going to read the project, read the API, read everything we need, and then launch this into a browser so we can actually interact with this thing in real time. So I cannot wait to see this. And let's see what Claude created. Wow. All right, guys, check this out. So this is the app. Unbelievable. So it looks like it already loaded up a token that we can check and get the price for. So let's click that. And we have wrapped ether. So great. Perfect example. Now we have, oh, look at this chart. So we got this chart that has intervals here, so we can do like 4 hours, looks like 1 day, 1 week. I mean, this is incredible. Look what Claude made for us. So now we can look at the historical price of that token. So like let's click on it now. So okay, a month ago from today, it was basically $1,000. Yeah, it was like more than $1,000 more expensive. And we can just keep going back. I mean, we can click, let's go back 2 weeks from that, click look up, and the price keeps fluctuating. Amazing. And it also implemented this fetch batch prices. So this compares the prices between other tokens. And all this UI, I mean, this is fully functional. I can click on these. I can check different tokens here and paste them in. I can check, it even gives us some preloaded, look, I can click on the chain link and it brings us the chain link chart. This is so amazing. Thanks to Claude and the price API from Moralis, you can develop unbelievable applications like this. Quick recap. Today, we vibe coded a TradingView style token tracking app while leveraging the Moralis price API and Claude. Essentially, we told Claude to use this open sourced GitHub repository, Onchain Skills by Moralis, and copy this command and basically install and understand how to work with the price API from Moralis. That way, we created this fully functional TradingView style app in about 10 minutes. Today, you saw what's possible using the Moralis price API and Claude code. You can develop cool dApps that people want to use. All you need is the Moralis API. So log in or join today and start developing dApps now. Subscribe so you don't miss another video, and I'll see you in the next one.